How to get life insurance in USA? Best life insurance companies. Prudential is our best overall life insurance company. We publish unbased product review. A life insurance policy is a contract between an insurance company and a policyholder in which the policyholder pays regular premiums and in exchange the insurer pays a death benefit to the policy's beneficiaries when the insured dies. The best life insurance companies can help you secure enough coverage to replace your income, settle debts, or cover expenses your life family will face, like paying for your children education or caring agents. Find the best insurance life insurance. Best life insurance companies 2021. Best overall Prudential. Best instant issue State Farm. Best value Transamerica. Best whole life Northwestern Mutual. Best term policy New York Life. Best for non-medical exams Mutual of Omaha. Best of military USA. Most insurance companies require new applicants to choose either male or female when applying for insurance, and they don't always offer an option for those who identify or non-binary or transgender. While being non-binary does not disqualify you from getting insurance, you should be aware the most insurance companies have not updated their underwriting process to reflect an awareness of gender issue. Why we choose it? Prudential was chosen as the best life insurance company overall based on the company history dating back to 1873, the board selection of policies available and excellent ratings for financial strength. Pros and cons. Get an instant quote from term life for term life insurance online. Excellent rating for financial strength. Multiple riders can be added to your policy. Cons. No online quote for permanent life insurance coverage. Overview. Prudential Financial Dashboard back to 1873, which boards will for its reliability. The Prudential Insurance Company of America also boasts an A plus rating with AM Best as well as an AA rating with Standard and Poor's in terms of its financial strength. Prudential offers term life insurance coverage, universal life insurance, indexed universal life insurance, and variable universal life insurance, and you can add riders to your policy that include an accidental death between a living needs benefit and a children protection rider. Prudential does let you apply for an instant online request for term life insurance. To learn more about life insurance from Prudential, have a look at our full review. Read the Prudential Life Insurance Company. Best instant issue State Farm. Why we choose it? We choose State Farm as the best company for instant issue policies based on the fact you can apply online and get term life coverage without a medical exam or any jobs. To jump through State Farm's excellent ratings and long history also helped it gain a spot in our ranking. State Farm extends some term policies without a medical exam, free quotes for term life insurance coverage online, excellent ratings for financial strength and customer satisfaction. No life insurance offered in Massachusetts. State Farm is another company with a long and storied history, founded in 1922 by a retired farmer. State Farm has grown from humble beginnings to offer a broad range of insurance products today. At the moment, State Farm comes in at number 39 or in Fortune 500 list of largest company. This company also boasts an A plus rating for financial strength from AM Best, which is the highest rating possible. Also note, the State Farm secured the highest ranking in the JD Power 2021 US Life Insurance Study, which compared the experience of life insurance and annuity customers nationwide. When it comes to the life insurance product it offers, State Farm lets consumer purchase a lifetime life insurance coverage, the whole life insurance and universal life insurance. State Farm also make it easy to enter your information and get a free quote online term life. State Farm extend instant answer term life insurance coverage you can apply for online, and these policies can be purchased with No medical exam. You do have to answer health questions in your application. However, how much does a life insurance with State Farm cost? Request a quote online or speak to an agent to find out.